Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Loaded with features. Features also include bucket seats, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, adaptive cruise control, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2020 Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, tires, front performance. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.